welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming my Vanity Impressions unboxing. So if you want to see that, keep watching. So I got my scissors and we're just going to cut this puppy open, you know? So I got the, I really hope you guys can't see my address from there. But I got the Hollywood Premiere Pro Vanity Mirror blue, and it has the Bluetooth, and I got it in white. Yeah, I sound like a school teacher in white. Okay, so this is a task. If you guys know how much tape is on this thing, you'd be shocked. Okay, so it says open here at the bottom, so I think I'm just going to slide this down so it's easier to open. Okay, I think if I just cut open here, that the mirror will just come out. So I got this pretty quickly. I don't remember what date I ordered it, but I'll put it on the screen here, well, there, and then I'll put it on the screen when it came. It came today, like a couple hours ago. Well, actually not even a couple hours ago, it was like an hour ago. I literally beat the USPS man to the door. Okay, I'm trying to open this neatly and it's not fun. Okay guys, I am struggling, so give me about like 10 minutes just to get a little bit of this packaging undone and I'll be right back. Okay guys, my mom helped me. And now, we're on a roll.
Doesn't take much to feel the rush with nothing but your eyes on it.
Oh, there we go. This is a workout.
How about we do just like we do? Two crazy fools just breaking free.
I got it open. Okay, so it's getting a little dark in here, so I'm gonna go get my ring light and I'll be right back.
No, it don't matter what we've been told. I can see the skies are gold. Yeah, it's just you and me in open road. Let's go.
So in this clip, I was just trying to show you guys what came in the package, like the actual screws and bolts and stuff. The silver screws and the like gray caps are for only when you want to put the mirror on the wall, like actually hang it on your wall. And then the gold screws are when you just want to, it's when you want to connect it to the base, like the base that I connected it. So that's the only ones I use, and I just kept the screws for later if I ever want to hang it up on a wall. Okay, bye. Sorry, the audio cut out.
ignite our hearts and burn away. This is our time, it's do or die. Come on, let's rise for heaven's sake. Oh, it don't matter what we've been told. I can see the skies are gold. Yes, it's.
Hey guys, so my camera died, so I'm gonna try to put you guys like right there. Can you see? No, you cannot. You still can't see. I don't have the little thingy-majigger to level my phone. Ha! I did it! Woo! Okay. Most of the mirror, so let's keep putting these light bulbs in so I can work this mirror. Okay guys, so I must have clicked the mirror when I was putting it together. So it has a control on the side where you can push the brightness up or down. So this is it at its lowest setting. This is, it's so dark. But then this is it at its, I would say that's the middle right there, that's the middle, and then this is the brightest. Ooh. And it has a button on the side to turn it off and on. There is the time on here. I don't think that's the correct time right now. Oh, and it shows the date too, 6 month, 28 day. It has the volume, the Bluetooth. I don't know what this does. Oh, okay, this adjusts the time and date. Oh, and you can turn it off and on using this. Okay, this part's not working, but I think I have to connect my phone, so hopefully my phone is charged by now. I mean my camera. So let me go, Oh, there you go. Just a little bit of added brightness. Someone's emailing me. Guys, next up I'm going to also, once I connect my phone to this thing, we're gonna show you how these speakers work. I was gonna buy the one without speakers, but then I was like, listen. Oh, my skin looks disgusting. Oh, nah. Wow, this mirror is clear. Especially this little zoom in one. Wow. You could literally do like a little photo shoot with this mirror. Like, look at like, boom. Okay, let me charge my camera. I can't believe I did this all by myself. Woo, go Rafiqah. Okay guys, so I have got the camera back up and now I'm going to connect my phone. Let me just read the instructions. Okay, and now the Bluetooth is blinking. Oh, I'm connected to Bluetooth. Let's play a song. Oh. Okay, this is at the, this is how loud it is. I'm not sure if you guys can see. It's not all the way up. Oh, okay, it has a separate speaker for my phone. So I turn it up on here, and then I can turn it up on here. And you can control the music on here. Watch. Oh, you can skip songs, I forgot. Okay, the down button is skip, And the up button is, it's like, wait. Say my name, I'm gonna get demonetized. What am I doing? If you play bottom button, it skips. If you play, it skips backwards. And if you click the top button, it goes to the next song. And then if you click volume first, then you can turn it down and then you take it up. Is that everything I have to show you guys? I think so. This is my new mirror. I'll do a couple close-ups with my phone just so you guys can see all the sides and stuff, but I'll leave everything about this mirror down below, like every detail, what I got exactly, everything that was used to put it together. Really, it was just the instructions. I'm really happy I got this mirror. It's really good quality. I like how it doesn't have a white around it. I liked it to be just like a seamless mirror. I like that it came with a base, that you didn't have to buy a base or anything. Came with all the screws, came with the instructions. And their instructions, so simple but actually easy to follow. I mean, I have my clock right here, the degrees, everything, and little impressions. Guys, I'm so happy. I got my mirror, I got my mirror. And if you are into vanity collections, setting up makeup rooms, please hit the subscribe button so I can show you guys everything that I have coming. I'm setting up my own beauty room. My mom gave me a room in the house so I can actually like just film and everything there. So if you guys are interested in seeing that, hit that subscribe button and then hit the bell below so you can be added to the Feek Squad. Hopefully I can finish my beauty room this weekend and get the video to you next weekend, but we will see how that actually goes. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out, Girl Scouts.